Hello everyone. So we will install pandas in Python using a command prompt. So first of all, we need to understand what is pandas. A pandas is basically a Python module that makes data science or data analysis easy and effective, and its full form is panel data. It is the most famous Python package for the data science, and that offers powerful and flexible data structures which makes data analysis and manipulation easy. So in simple words you can say a pandas is a basic modules in Python which is used to calculate some powerful data and structures. It was developed by Wes McKinney, and it was built in the same way just like NumPy and Matplotlib. We will study further. So let's get started. How to install Python? Go to Chrome and enter the on search bar Python exe module. Python, and you will see here the original website has came for the Python, and this is the Python main website. From here you can download Python. Just go to the download section here and look here. You can see the downloaded latest version is available for this window. So from here you can download it. I have made this on download. This is the main website. It is downloaded. So here the document has opened. It is asking for the installation, and it is, we will enter here to install. Just give it. Finally it is installed already. It is asking for the disabling path commission, so I will not give this permission. And see, it is installed on your PC. Just go on search bar and type Python. Look, Python ideal is appearing here. From here you can use Python module very easily. And next we will install pandas. Pandas a module of Python. For the location path you need to go to the file section wherever your Python has installed. So on from there you can check its you can check its location path completely so that you won't forget it. Just enter a Python from here, and go to the open file location and enter here. So, and from here just click on properties, and is from here you can see the target dialog box. Here it is telling the exact location of the Python wherever it is installed, and these uh, location we will use in command prompt to install pandas. So let's begin. So we will see how to install pandas from the command prompt. So here we will go, we will run it as administrator, and we will change its color. I don't like this color. And for installing pandas we will enter cd slash, and we will be placed in this command dialog box, and we will enter cd users. You make sure users u is capital. So next we will enter computer device name, it calls enter, and we will enter the location, and we will enter the exact location um, of my file wherever it is installed. So here I will enter Python, and look, we goes enter to the Python module, and here we will enter a script, and we will use this command dir. Here you can see a pip install has came. Let me zoom. Yes, here you can see a pip x install has came. So from here we will install pandas, and for that we will use the command pip install pandas. So let's type pip pip install pandas. I have already installed pandas, so it is saying that I cannot install pandas again. So guys, the same procedure you need to perform, your pandas will be installed in your computer.